Welcome to Marathon Screencasts. In this screencast, I will show you how to set up a Marathon project to test a Java application which is run from the command line. Let us first have a look at the Java command line. There are four parts that need to be kept in mind when we talk about the Java command line. The first part are the VM arguments. These are directly sent to the Java command and they never reach the main application. These VM arguments are used by the Java virtual machine itself. The second part consists of the class path. This path consists of all the jar files and folders that are required to run the application. The third part is the main class name. This class is what implements your whole application. It also consists of the package name as well as the main class name. The last part is the arguments that are sent to your class. These arguments are called the program arguments. Thus, we require the VM arguments, the class path, the class name, and finally the program arguments to set up a Marathon project. For this setup, we will be using a sample application called SwingSet3. SwingSet3 is a demo to showcase features of the Swing UI toolkit, and it can be downloaded from the GitHub URL that is shown on the screen. Let's go forward with the demo. Let us start by launching MarathonITE. Click on New for creating a new project. You can provide any name here that is descriptive of your testing project. Select a project folder. There's no need to provide .mpd as the extension, but it's a good practice. You can provide a description for your application here. We'll skip that now. In the Application tab, select the launcher. In the class name field, provide the main class of your application. If your program requires arguments, enter them in the Program Arguments field and VM Arguments in the VM Arguments field. If your application needs to be launched from a particular folder, then click on Browse and select the corresponding directory. If you wish to use a different version of Java to launch your application than the one used by Marathon, then click on Browse and select the corresponding Java home. Once all this information is filled, we need to add the class path. You can select multiple jars to be added to the class path. Now that we have provided all the information required for launching the application, select the scripting language. At this point, MarathonITE provides only Ruby scripting, but we are planning to add more languages in the future. Now that all the information has been provided, click on Test to see if it's working. If your configuration is proper, Marathon will launch your application. Any possible errors will be displayed in the Standard Output and Error tab. You can use this information to fix your configuration. Click on Close to close the application and save the project that you have just created. The newly created project is already selected. Now click on Select to start working with MarathonITE. This brings us to the end of this screencast. Thank you for watching.